Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can edit image generated by ChatGPT right inside Canva. First, we're going to generate an image to show you a quick example. In this case, I'm going to enter this prompt. Make me a promotional flyer for this cookie that I will be selling at a trade fair. Specify that it will be on Monday, April 4th in downtown. I'm going to add a photo of the cookie, keeping in mind that the flyer, ad, or image you have can be of any type. So it doesn't necessarily have to be a flyer. It can be any other kind of image. Here is our generated image. Now to edit it, first we're going to download it from ChatGPT. Then we head over to Canva and click on Create. For this example, I'm going to create a A4 document. It can be set directly to the dimensions of your flyer. You can customize that yourself. Now I'm going to upload the image I just downloaded from ChatGPT and drag it directly into Canva. I will resize it a bit. Now we click on the image and select the edit option. A toolbar will appear here. The tool I'm showing you today is Magic Grab or Magic Layers, which allow us to edit the entire content of the flyer. There are also many other tools like Magic Edit, Optimizer, Background Remover, Magic Eraser, and so on, right? We also have the background generator. In this case, we are going to use the Magic Layers and give it a try. What this tool does is extract all the text and image from our picture, allowing us to edit them however we like. As you can see, it now let us edit all the text in the image and make its elements larger or smaller. We can change the date, add different information, and so on. This is super useful for directly editing information without having to generate an entire image, allowing you to customize it as needed.